Hello. I'm doing a review for Blacklight Blacklight 100 UV LED blacklight flashlight, portable handheld. Then it goes on to say for cat, pet, urine, scorpion detectors, battery operated, 395 NM free UV protective safety sunglasses. You get these free sunglasses, and my son here is going to demonstrate it. So let's not make it a 10-minute video. Come on.
Okay.
This is a flashlight. Here.
Okay.
Get up.
Turn on.
This is just a piece of toilet tissue. It's not been used. Turn the light off.
Okay. Can they really see? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, shine it on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to.
No.
No, you can't really see.
Wait, hold on. If I shine it through?
No.
No.
Okay, but anyway, we tried. Turn the light back on. Okay, so you can't see it on camera. Whoa, that's a yellow light.
What?
It's really cool. He really likes it. As I said, those were the UV protective safety sunglasses. You're able to see some things that you probably don't want to see. A great example would be taking it to hotels to see what's there that you may not want to see and you may want to leave then. The beam illuminates a circular area of about 2 feet in a diameter of 7, diameter at a distance of 7 feet. Okay, you can go now.
Oh, well, I'm staying here.
It has a string to hold on to. Woohoo! Has the LED lights. It takes 6 AA batteries. I kind of wish they would have made it the D batteries, the big batteries, instead of 6 AA batteries. But that's how they made it.
Word.
Yeah.
Escalate.
It has the rubber grip. The button's right here. To do the batteries. It is 2 of these. So it's pretty cool. What?
Channel.
Anyway, I don't think I'll do a video with him again. That's all I've got. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Or no, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks.